How to share reels from Instagram to Facebook. In this video, I will show you two methods on how to share Instagram reels to Facebook. First of all, after you open your Instagram app like this, tap on this plus button at the middle of your Instagram. After you tap on this plus, now tap on this reel section. Now select the reel. After you select the reel section, as you can see now like this one, so now scroll to down and select your reel that you want to post. So for me, let's say I want to post this one. After you select your reel that you want to post, now tap on this next button. So now scroll to down and tap on this, as you can see now share to this one, tap on it. After you tap on this share to, as you can see share, it says share to Facebook. So all you have to do now, tap on this, turn on this option. Now if you turn on this option, now it will only share this Instagram reel that you are posting currently to your Facebook account. But if you want to share all your future Instagram reel to your Facebook account, whenever you post a Instagram reel to your Facebook, to your Instagram, it will automatically post to your Facebook account. So now I'll show you how to do that. But if you turn on this option, it will only share this one. Tap on this back arrow to enable this feature. Tap on this back arrow again. So after you come to your Instagram like this, now open up your Instagram profile and tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open menu, tap on this settings and privacy. Now tap on this account center. Under account center, now tap on this sharing across profile. So now select Instagram. After you select Instagram, now as you can see now here it says your Instagram reels. So tap on this setup button. After you tap on this setup button, now tap on this allow button. If you tap on this allow button, now it will share your Instagram reel. Whenever you post Instagram reel, it will automatically share it to your Facebook account. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out on how to share Instagram reel to Facebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.